Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. I've shared my screen. It's visible, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, children. Please start working the questions that you see on your screen. It's a test today based on what you've understood from the videos I've shared. Please work it carefully. I'll be testing you on addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Not division, not long division. Only addition, subtraction, and multiplication.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, I wrote only till the sixth simplify question, ma'am, because I have exams. I have exams, ma'am, this whole week. So can I just continue to write this test?
Yeah, please just give a shot.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first question completed, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Finish both. Finish both 1 and 2. We'll see the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Done, children?
Ma'am, I've just started the second question, ma'am.
Okay. Completed? Second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just unsharing my screen.
Ma'am, can you show it for 1 minute? Ma'am, I didn't write the second question actually.
Okay. Done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, children, what's the answer for the first one? What's the final answer for the first one?
Ma'am, 2m plus m square, ma'am.
2m plus
M square.
m square. Perfect. Or m square plus 2m. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I got 6m square minus 3m as the answer, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see. I'll show you the correct answer. We'll just see. And what about the second one, children? What's the answer for the second one?
14y cube plus 12y square 18y square minus 20.
Is it 14y cubed?
Yes.
Is it
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
12y square?
Y.
Okay. Is it plus 12y square? Is it plus, after that, is it plus 12y square?
Minus 18, ma'am.
Minus
18.
18.
14y cube plus 12 square minus 18, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no. Let me see. I have a different answer with me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
14y.
answer I got is 14y cube plus 12y square and minus 28y plus 10.
Yeah,
Plus
that's
10,
what I
ma'am.
have. Correct. I have Kirtana's answer with me.
Same answer, ma'am.
Okay, okay, done. Yeah, fine. Let's see the answer. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay. See the answer for the first one, children. So we have the first expression there, right? 5m into 3 minus m. 5m into 3 minus n. How do you multiply? I've just shown the steps here. So how do you multiply 5m and 3 minus m? So it's 5m into 3 minus 5m into m. This is the first expression. See, this is what we have. This is the first expression, and this is the second expression. We need to add these two expressions. This is the first expression. This is the second expression. We need to add these two expressions. So this expression, let's simplify that expression. So that's nothing but 5m into 3 minus 5m into m. So which is nothing but 5m into 3 is 15m minus 5m into m is 5m square. So this is the first expression. So we need to add, we need to add this first expression and the second expression. See the second expression here, 6m square minus 13m, 6m square minus 13m. This is after opening up the bracket, this is what the first expression looks like, and this is the second expression. We have to add them, so we need to put a plus sign in the middle. We need to connect both we need to connect the first and second expression with a positive sign, with a plus sign. Why did we put this plus in the middle? Because it's add. This is the first expression, this is the second expression. Enclose them in a bracket, enclose them in a bracket and add them. So now, to simplify, we need to open up the bracket. So 15m minus 5m square plus it is, so 6m square minus 13m. Now simplify the like terms. Minus 5m square plus 6m square. Minus 5m square plus 6m square is m square. 15m minus 30, they're like terms. m. 15m minus 13m is plus 2m. Yes or no, children? Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. In the second one, this is the second question. We need to add, this is the first expression and this is the second expression. Let's simplify this one. Let's take up the first expression, multiply every term in the bracket with 4y. Then we'll take up the second expression. We'll multiply every term in the bracket with 2. And then the results which we get, we are going to add. We're going to first take up this expression, this first expression, multiply every term in the bracket with 4y. Then we'll take up the second expression, multiply every term in the bracket with 2. Now we have the results for the first and second expression. We'll add them. So this is the first expression. So how do we open? You can directly write this, children. This is just for you to understand. You can directly write this. So how do we multiply? We need to multiply 4y and 3y square. See here, 4y into 3y square plus 4y into 5y minus, or if you put a plus outside, you should multiply by minus 7. Or you take it like this. You can take a minus here, minus 4y into 7 in the bracket. If you take a minus here, it will be 4y into 7. So 4 into 3 is 12, 12y cubed, 4 5s are 20, 20y square, 4 7s are 28, 28y, plus into minus, minus. You can directly take this minus sign here, children. So you will have 4y into 7 here, 4y into 7, so minus 28y. So this is what the first expression looks like after multiplying 4y with all these three terms in the bracket. Do the same for the second expression. This is the second expression. So let's multiply 2y into y cubed. You can take a plus, then you should multiply 2 with minus 4y square. If you write a minus straight away here, it will be 2 into 4y square. If you take this minus, it will be 2 into 4y square. Plus 2 into 5, plus 2 into 5. So then that is 2y cubed. 2 4s are 8, minus 8y square and plus 10. Now you can choose to add it horizontally or vertically. I have just written them one below the other. You can add in any way. You can add it in the horizontal format, or you can arrange them like this in 2 rows. You can arrange them in 2 rows like this and add. So see the first expression, 12y cubed plus 20y square minus 28y. You can see it here. This is the first expression. And you can see it here. The second expression, cubed minus 8y square plus 10. 2y cubed, under y cubed, the y cubed term. Under y square, the y square term. And this one, you can write it under the y, nothing wrong, but you cannot simplify 28y and 10. So normally we write the like terms one below the other. That's what it is. We write the like terms one below the other. But nothing wrong. See, if you write 10, am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can write 10 below minus 28y. It's not that it's incorrect or you will lose marks. No. But you should just realize that you cannot simplify minus 28y and plus 10 because they're not like terms. So you can also do this. See, I've written the y cube terms one below the other, y square terms one below the other, and then we have 28y and 10, which are not like terms. So I've just written 10 away from 28y. I've not written it below 28y. That's what it is. Now we need to add, children. Add means, I have told you both the methods. Add means you should not change the signs in the second expression. Have you seen that in the videos?
Yes, ma'am.
When it is addition, you should not change the signs in the second expression. So we're adding, see the plus sign here, we're adding 12y cubed plus 2y cubed. 12 plus 2, 14, 14y cubed. 20 minus 8, y square. 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is plus 12, not minus 12, because plus 20 minus 8 is plus 12, y square. Minus 28y and plus as they are, because they are not like terms, they come down as they are. So this is the sum. This is the sum of the two expressions given. Take a screenshot if you want to write it later. Take a picture, children.
Taken, ma'am.
All right. Please work this one. Subtract. So take up the first expression, open up the brackets, take the second expression, open up the brackets, and then perform the subtraction.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
completed, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Okay. What's the answer?
Ma'am, minus p square q plus q square, ma'am.
Ma'am, p square q minus 5p q square, ma'am. P square q minus 5p q square.
Okay, there's something incorrect about the signs. They were actually
Ma'am, if my answer is correct, ma'am,
yeah, they were
minus p square q plus pq square, ma'am.
plus not just PQ square, plus there's a numerical coefficient for PQ square.
Ma'am.
Sanjay and Sindhu, the signs are incorrect.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, 5pq to the power of 4 minus p square q, ma'am.
5pq to the power 4. Huh?
Ma'am, I got minus p squared q plus pq square.
Not just pq square.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the answer which Keertana got, ma'am.
I'm getting the answer. Like, I checked, ma'am, but the same answer is coming for me, ma'am.
Let's see.
Ma'am, 5p q square minus p square q, ma'am.
Yeah. Right. See, children, tell me where you went wrong. 3pq into p minus q. I've done it separately for you. 3pq into p minus q. How do we multiply? See, this is one expression. This is the other expression. These expressions, before we subtract them, they have to be simplified. That is, we need to open the bracket. So we'll do that first. Before actually subtracting, let's simplify the two expressions given to us. So take up the first one.
Ma'am, I did it like that, ma'am, but I didn't get the correct answer.
Yeah,
I got it.
Yeah, just a minute, Kirtana. We'll see. We'll just go through the complete answer and then we'll realize where we've gone wrong. So 3pq into p minus q. How do we multiply? 3pq into p, correct? 3pq into p. So it's like 3 into p into q into p. So p into p. How do we evaluate p into p? P into p is p to the power, yeah, p to the power 1 into p to the power 1. P to the power 1 into p to the power 1. Bases are same. Multiplication, add the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. So it becomes 3 p square q. Minus, because plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus minus. 3pq into q. So q into q is q square. So 3pq square. Is the product understood? Is this, all of you got this one, this expression?
Yes,
3p.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now here 2pq into p plus q. So 2pq into p, 2p square q plus 2pq into q, 2pq square. Now we need to subtract. While subtracting, we need to be careful which expression to place first. So subtract this from this. So from whichever expression follows from, that is, whichever is given after from should be written first. So this one, this result should be taken first. That is, this one should be written first. Subtract this from this one. This expression is after from or follows from. So this should be written first. So 2p square q plus 2pq square, and write this below that. 3, we are arranging the like terms also. 3p p square q minus 3pq square. Because it is subtraction, children, we need to change the signs throughout in the second expression. Because we have to subtract. See, now, as of now, what we have done is, we have just written the expressions one below the other, taking care to write this one first. Whatever follows from, we need to write that first. And then the other one. This is before from. This expression is before from. That is the second expression. Whatever is after from will be the first expression. We write them one below the other. And the next thing is we have to subtract. So we need to change the signs throughout in the second expression. So plus 3p square q becomes minus, and the minus here becomes plus. Now take the new signs. P square Q, like terms, you can simplify. So it is plus 2 minus 3. Can we see that? It's plus 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. P square Q. While we add or subtract, P square Q comes down as it is. We add or subtract only the numerical coefficients. The literal factors, that is P square Q, they just come down as they are. Only when we multiply, multiplication happens with the multiplication and division happens with both the numerical factors and the literal factors, that is numbers and the letters. Multiplication division is both with the numbers and letters. Addition subtraction is only with the numbers, not with the letters. That is when we have to add or subtract. So in this case, 2p square q and 3p square q. When you're adding or subtracting, there's nothing we have to do with the letters. P square q will come down as it is. While you're adding and subtracting, P square q, the letters, they just come down as they are. We only add or subtract the numerical coefficients. So 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3 is minus 1. So minus P square q. Minus 1 or minus, you can write minus 1 P square q or simply minus P square q. And then PQ square. While we add or subtract, letters, nothing to do with the letters. No simplification with the letters. P square q, PQ square comes down as it is, PQ square. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 5. So what are the things to remember while subtracting? Whatever expression follows from, that is after from, whatever is there after from should be written first. What is there before from should be written as a second expression. That's the first rule. Then, because we are subtracting, we have to change the signs for all the terms in the second expression. Suppose there are 3 terms in the second expression. Supposing there are 3 terms. All these 3 terms will have a sign. You should write their opposite sign in the bracket. That indicates we are subtracting. If you're adding, you should not change the signs. You should perform the calculation as they are. Then after changing the signs, you'll have to manipulate only the numerical coefficients. The literal factors will come down as they are. Add, subtract is only with numbers. In algebra, addition, subtraction happens only with the numbers. When you see here, when we multiplied, what did we do here? 3pq into p. 3pq into p. So how do we multiply? Everything, the numbers and the letters. 3 as it is. PQ into P. So P into P is P square and Q as it is. We are working everything. Number. Supposing it was 2P here. Supposing it was 2P. Then we would have done 3 into 2, 6. P into P, P square. And Q as it is. Now tell me what doubt you have, children. What is your doubt?
No doubt.
In case you had gone wrong with the sign or the numerical coefficients, is it convinced? Meaning, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So simple. So we just have to, if the expressions have to be simplified, just take them, do it slowly. Take up the first expression, open up the bracket and simplify it like this. Second expression, open the bracket and get it like this. Now these are the 2 expressions. Which one to write first? Which is after from? After from is this one. So this one. So we should write that expression first. Below that will be the other expression. And the heading is subtract. It's not add, it's subtract. So in the second expression, every term will take its opposite sign. So the plus here becomes minus, the minus here becomes plus. And then you'll have to simplify. Take a screenshot, children, if needed.
Taken, ma'am.
This is homework. Take a screenshot of this one.
Ma'am, today will you send some videos to watch, ma'am?
Today, No, I don't think, because some of us have their exams and they've not watched the video so far, sent so far. So today, nothing. You can watch the same videos again for repetition.
Okay.
And this is also homework, children.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Please do this now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do the first question, ma'am.
No, it's just this. Let me read the question for you in a different way. You have to multiply a square. You have to find a square into 2 into a to the power 22 into 4 into a to the power 26. It's a product everywhere. There is no plus or minus in the middle. No addition, subtraction. It's a product throughout. So you should understand the given expression as a square into 2 into a square. I'm sorry, I'll come again. A square into 2 into a to the power 22 into 4 into a to the power 26. So you basically have to multiply the numbers, and you can see the basis. The base is the same, a. Use the law of exponent and simplify it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also completed, ma'am.
Which one?
Till fourth one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, all the sums.
Okay. I'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Yeah.
Some, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, multiplication, I understand the concept if you teach me, ma'am, but I don't remember this, ma'am.
No problem. Yeah, you told me that you have not watched the videos, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Don't worry. You have not missed anything. The videos are still there. You can watch them sometime and later you can get back to me if you have any doubts.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I'm going to unshare my screen. We'll see the answers and then I'll share it again. Yes, tell me the final answer for the first one.
8a to the power 50, ma'am.
8a to the power 50. That's correct.
ma'am.
50. Yes, children. 8a to the power 50 is the answer for the first one. Second one.
Minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube.
Okay, I heard it from Danya. Sindhu and Sanjay.
Minus 3 by 5 x cube by y cube, ma'am.
Keertana.
The same answer, ma'am. Minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube.
Devadarshini.
The same answer, ma'am. Minus 3 by.
Yeah, minus.
Ma'am, can I say the next answer for the next question, ma'am?
Yeah, 1 minute. Devadarshini, yes, I want your answer, Devadarshini. Can you hear me, Devadarshini? Please read out the answer from your book. Madhumita, could you try that? Second one.
Ma'am, I haven't tried yet. Should I try again?
No. That's okay. Okay. The answer for the third one, children?
Minus 4p power 4 q power 4, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 4p power 4 and q power 4, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, and what about the last one?
X power 10.
X to the power?
10.
10 or 9? 10, x to the power 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. X to the
Good.
power
I
10.
heard the correct answers from all of you. So Madhumita, it's like this. So when we have to multiply these three terms, write them like this. So we have 2 here, we have 4. It's multiplication everywhere. So you can change the order. Like if it is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, you can even do 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. You can change the order in which the numbers appear.
Okay,
2
ma'am.
into 5 can be written as 5 into 2 into 3. The product will not be different. It's going to be the same. So here you can change the order of the numbers or the terms appearing. So 2 into 4.
Ma'am, so in 2 by 3 xy also it's in multiplication form, no ma'am? 2 by 3 into x into y. So we can multiply all those terms in any order, no ma'am?
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So 2 into 4 is 8. Then a square into a power 22 into a power 26. So 2 4s are 8. Yeah, here we use the law of exponent. When bases are same.
Only screen is not visible, ma'am.
No, but I had asked you to read your answer from the book. Was that Devadarshini or Keertana?
Ma'am, I'm Devadarshini, ma'am.
Yes, darling. Yes, I had asked you to read out your answer. You did not read.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
No, now no, not now.
Ma'am, I cannot able to see the screen, ma'am.
No, we have
share
passed.
it, ma'am?
Excuse me, Devadarshini, we have passed that question. You try to leave and join again, Devadarshini. Maybe that will help you. If you're not able to see my screen, others, is my screen visible, children?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please leave the meeting and join again. I think that should be.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, so 2 plus 22 plus 26 is 50, a to the power 50. So here also it is 2 by 3 into x into y into minus 9 by 10 into x square into y square. It's a product. It's multiplication everywhere. So you can change the order. So let's write the numbers together. 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Then x into y. X square, y square, x square, y square. So now you can simplify this, right? 3 ones are, 3 threes are. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. Correct? 2 and 10 you can cancel. 3 and 9 you can cancel. So that gives you minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So minus 3 by 5. Then x into x square. X into x square. X into x square is x cubed. Y into y square is y cubed, because 1 plus 2, 3. X means x to the power 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly, y means y to the power 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. X cubed, y cubed. X into x square is x cubed. Y into y square is y cubed. See, we multiplied the numbers. We got minus 3 by 5. We multiplied the x's. X and x square, we got x cubed. Y and y square is y cubed. Bases are same. Y into y square. Base same. Y. Add the powers. 1 plus 2, 3. Similar understanding for the third one. Third and fourth, any doubt you can ask me. X means, Devadarshini, can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't know how to solve the third question, ma'am. Could you explain it once?
Okay. So when you're multiplying, you'll have to multiply the numbers. It's multiplication everywhere. So it's minus 10 by 3 into p into q cubed into 6 by 5 into p cubed into p into p cubed into q. It's multiplication everywhere. So let's multiply the numbers. Let's multiply the p terms. Let's multiply the q terms. These are the different things you see there. We see numbers. We see the p terms and the q terms. Now tell me, how do we simplify the numbers, Devadarshini? Can we cancel minus 10 and 5 in the tables of 5?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
So it will be 5 ones are, 5 twos are, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about 3 and 6?
Ma'am, we can cancel in 3 table, ma'am.
Yeah, so 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So in the numerator, 3 and 5 have got cancelled in the denominator. In the numerator, we have 2 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. You can see that in the product, minus 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Then how do you multiply p and p cube? What is the power for p?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
What is the power of p?
3, ma'am.
No, what? No. P to the power 3, the power of p is 3. Here in p.
Q.
No, in this p, what is the power of p? In this one, in this p. Okay, what's the power of x here?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Nothing means what? Yeah, correct, nothing. So nothing means what? What number can you associate to nothing?
0.
No, but do you know that x to the power 0 is 1?
No, ma'am.
Anything raised to the power 0 is 1.
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
Yeah, this x means x power 1. X means x power 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what's the power of p?
1, ma'am.
Now, what is p into p cubed? What are the powers you have to add?
Ma'am, what ma'am? P into?
P into P cubed. The power of P is 1. The power of P cubed is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the power of P in P cubed is 3. What is 1 plus 3?
4, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's how we get P to the power 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me how we get Q to the power 4.
2 to the power.
Q to the power 4.
Ma'am, since there is no power or in the Q, ma'am, we can take it as 1. So that 3 plus 1, it's 4, ma'am. Q.
Very good. You understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In the last one, Devdarshini, explain the last one.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the first one, X has no power, ma'am, so that it's 1. And then X, ma'am, we have to just add the powers, ma'am. So that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it's X power 10, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Children, if needed, take a screenshot.
Taken down.
All right. This is homework. But let's just understand what's happening here. Just go through, children. Please go through. Let's discuss. Please go through. Don't work now. You can try it later as homework. All right. So for a question like this, simplify and find its value. So to simplify, we need to first simplify and then find the value. You should not take the value of x as 3 directly. So first take up 3x, take up the expression given and simplify it. Should we multiply this 3 with 3x, children?
No, ma'am.
Because this plus 3 is outside the bracket. So plus 3 will come as it is. Plus 3 is outside the bracket as it is. 4x and minus 5 should be multiplied by 3x. 4x and 4x and minus 5, that these two terms in the bracket must be multiplied by 3x. And that's how we get 12x square minus 15x. 3x into 4x, 12x square. Because x to the power 1 into x to the power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. X square. Devadarshini, do you understand this?
Ma'am?
Yep. Do you understand what is 3x into 4x?
Ma'am, what ma'am? 3x into 4x.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yes.
3 into 4?
7x.
No, 3 into 4 multiply. 3x into 4x. 3 into 4?
12x.
No, x into x. What's the power of x?
Ma'am, x square, ma'am.
How x square?
Ma'am, x into x, ma'am. Oh, 2x, 2x.
No, when you multiply, you should add the powers. X plus x is 2x.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you're getting confused with addition and multiplication. X plus x is 2x.
Okay, ma'am.
X into x is x squared.
Ma'am, that only I said in the first, ma'am, x square.
No, yeah, you should stand by your answer.
Okay.
Don't change your answer. See, you should stand with the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. All right, so 3x into 4x is 12x squared. 3x into minus 5 is minus 15x. All these are explained in the videos, children, for the class and for Devadarshini. Please watch the videos. Please watch the videos. Yes. You'll find addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in the videos I've shared. Okay. So like this, expand, open up the bracket and get the expression like this. And now here in this result, you will have to use 3 in place of x. So for x is equal to 3, this expression becomes 12 into 3 square because x square. So 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. In place of x, use 3 and work that. What is 3 square? What is 3 square?
9, ma'am.
9.
Ma'am.
Square meaning 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 12 is 108, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
3 into 9, 9 12s are 108. 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Simplify this and the value of this expression. So the meaning is the value of 3x of 4x minus 5 plus 3 at x is equal to 3 is 66. See, understand how to say that. The value of the expression 3x of 4x minus 5 plus 3, the value of this expression at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, because you can give different values of x and find the corresponding values of the expression. So the value of this expression at x is equal to 3 is 66. The value of this expression 3x of 4x minus 5 plus 3 at x is equal to 3 is 66. The value of this expression at x is equal to half is minus 3 by 2. The value of this expression at a is equal to 0 is 5. The value of this expression at a is equal to 1 is 8. The value of this expression at a is equal to minus 1 is 4. Take a screenshot, children. So you should first simplify and then use the value of the variable given.
Taken, ma'am.
You should not put the value of the variable directly in the expression. If the expression has to be, that is why the heading simplify. Simplify and then find the value. Take a screenshot, children.
Taken, ma'am. Ma'am, is this also homework, ma'am?
Yeah, this is also homework. Whenever I ask you to take a screenshot, it's homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, just a minute, children. Just a minute. I'll get back. Just a minute. Yes, children, I'm back. So here you can see, children, why are the expressions arranged like this? Because there are no like terms, p square minus pq. So q square minus qr, r square minus pr. You can even write them one below the other, children, but just that be careful. You can add or subtract only like terms. You can present it like this. You can write it one below the other, but I think in schools, they will expect you to write it like this. They'll expect you to write the like terms one below the other. So no like terms, you'll have to present them like this. Yeah, take a screenshot.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
Last slide I had a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ask me, yes.
Ma'am, the last question, the third 2xy and minus 2yx, ma'am. We can't add unlike terms, but you have added here, ma'am.
Oh, that's a good question. Okay, so xy, yx, they are the same because when it's multiplication, now what is xy? It is x into y. What is yx? Y into x. We know that 2 into 3 is the same as 3 into 2. So PQ, QP are like terms. Consider a numerical example like this. 2 into 5. The answer is 10. 5 into 2 is also 10. So 2 into 5 is the same as 5 into 2, right? Similarly, x into y is the same as y into x.
Yes, ma'am.
So 10xy and say 7yx, they are like terms because xy, yx are the same. PQ, QP, PQR, RQP or RPQ, like terms. PQR, RQP or RPQ or PRQ. The letters are in a different order. We have the same letters but in a different order. Are like terms.
Yes, ma'am.
But children, if we have PQ square and P square Q, they are not like terms. PQ square, the square is for Q. And P square Q, P square Q. No, in the first one, the square is for Q. And the second one, we have a square for P. So PQ square and P square Q are not like terms. They must be exactly, they must be identical except that the order should be different. Then they are like terms. Have I answered your question? Good question, Sanjay and Sindhu.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Class, we understand? Their question was here we have minus, to minus 2xy and minus 2yx. How we can add them? Because xy. So minus 4xy. Yeah, I hope you have taken a screenshot of this one. So here also, in case you have any questions, please ask me in the next class. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is x into x into x? X into x into x.
4x, ma'am. X cube, ma'am. X cube, ma'am.
3x, ma'am.
How many stand for x cube? Give your names.
Ma'am, me, ma'am. Madhumita.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's x cube, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. X cube,
Yes,
ma'am.
x into x into x. Okay, x cube. So x into x into x is x to the power 1 into x to the power 1 into x to the power 1. Bases are same. We need to add the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. X cubed is the answer. When is it 3x?
Ma'am, when it is x into 3, it's 3x, ma'am. 3 times x is 3x.
Ma'am, x plus x plus x, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. What Madhu said is also right. X into 3 is 3x. But I was expecting this one, x plus x plus x. X plus x plus x. That is 1x plus 1x plus 1x. X meaning 1x it is. 1x plus 1x plus 1x. So as I told you, when we are adding, that x will come down as it is. We'll add or subtract only the numerical coefficients. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, 3x. Class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Sindhu and Sanjay, Madhumita. Where is Devadarshini? Danya, Kirtana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Please complete the homework. I'm not going to share any videos with you this week or today. So if you have not completed watching the videos, please watch them and write out the contents in your notebook. Saturday also will be a test on division also, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on Saturday. All right, children. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, last class you said we'll discuss about the classes after school.
Timings.
Oh, yeah, right.